Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn English and Literature. Take a deep breath. Relax your mind. Today's video is very important, not only for your English, but also for your confidence. Do your hands shake? Does your voice become low? Do you start thinking too much? If yes, you are not alone. Many students feel the same. But today, you are going to fix this. In this video, you will learn how to talk about social anxiety in English. Practice real-life conversations. Build confidence step by step, and speak without fear. White heavy checkmark 1 rule. Do not just listen, speak with me. Repeat everything. Use your voice. Let's start slowly. Part 1. Understanding your feeling. Social anxiety means you feel nervous in front of people. Not only in English, but in real life too. For example, when a teacher asks you something, when people look at you, when you meet new people, or when you speak in class. Your mind starts thinking. What if I make a mistake? What will people think? What if I say something wrong? Now say this with me. I feel nervous when I speak English. I feel shy in front of people. I feel uncomfortable in groups. I get anxious when people listen to me. Say it again, but this time louder. Part 2. Speak your fear. Now we are going to express your fear clearly. Repeat after me. I feel nervous when I talk to strangers. I forget words when I speak. My mind goes blank. I am afraid of making mistakes. I feel people will judge me. Good. When you can express your fear, you start controlling it. Part 3. Reality check. Listen carefully. Your problem is not English. Your problem is fear. Say this. Mistakes are normal. Learning takes time. I am improving every day. Again. I am not perfect, but I am learning. Part 4. Conversation practice. Now let's practice a simple real-life conversation. Listen first. Hello. Hi. How are you? I am fine, but I feel a little nervous. Why? I am not confident in speaking English. That is okay. You are doing well. Now repeat the full conversation. Speak naturally. Part 5. Daily speaking practice. Now repeat these sentences. I am learning English. I am practicing daily. I feel nervous, but I am improving. Now speak for a few seconds in your own words. Do not stop. Even simple sentences are fine. Part 6. Daily routine practice. Repeat after me. I wake up in the morning. I brush my teeth. I have breakfast. I study English. I go to sleep. Now speak your own routine in English. Keep it simple and clear. Part 7. Confidence practice. Now imagine you are standing in front of a mirror. Speak with confidence. I can speak English. I am confident. I am improving every day. Say it again with more energy. Remember, confidence grows when you speak, not when you stay silent. Part 8. Think in English. Now train your mind. Repeat. I am hungry. I am tired. I feel nervous. I want to speak. Now look around you and speak whatever you see. Use simple sentences. Part 9. Real-life situation. Now imagine you are ordering food. Repeat. Hello. I would like a burger. Can I get a drink? How much is it? Thank you. Now create your own small conversation. Speak freely. Part 10. 1-minute challenge. Now it is your turn. Speak for 1 minute without stopping. Talk about your fear and your goal. For example, I feel nervous when I speak English, but I want to improve. I practice daily. I want to speak confidently. I will not give up. Now you speak. Keep going. Do not stop. Very good. Confidence comes from speaking, not from thinking. If you speak daily, you will improve. If you stay silent, nothing will change. So start today. Speak daily. Even small sentences matter. Subscribe to Learn English and Literature for more helpful lessons. Keep learning. Keep practicing. See you in the next class.